Well, I think that there are three reasons that the rally in Bitcoin will be a sustainable one and will extend into the next year. One is what Mike Sonnenschein just talked about, the Bitcoin spot ETFs hitting the US markets. I think just today, a national TV ad by one of the issuers was on live TV. So this is phenomenal, and it shows us that it's a question of when, and it's not even when or when in January will we have ETFs and multiple of those. So this is a huge driver because regardless of what anybody says, the retail to the large extent is still on the sidelines and is yet to come in the way we saw them in 2020 and 2021. So that's one influx. Obviously, institutional interest will flow via, the ETFs will, in my mind, be approved. And, we have the pivot of the Federal Reserve, which, markets being the discounting mechanism of future events will be priced in, and this will be good for risk-on assets. And last but not least, a little bit of a geeky, it's the Bitcoin halving, this cycle of 4 years of reducing the rewards for miners. This is a disinflationary mechanism built in Bitcoin. So 2024 is going to be a strong year for crypto.
How strong? I mean, this year, as Joe and Mike Sonnenschein were talking about, went from 17 to 44. Now we're at 42. Next year, what kind of price levels are we going to see likely?
Well, I am pretty confident we'll see 100,000 within 2024 per Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin has done crazier things than double in pricing. And, we have flushed out the system of two things. One is leverage. So lots of the buying is spot buying, which gives you steadier hands to hold on to the Bitcoin that has been acquired. So this is always good. And then the second thing is that leverage could build up, and this usually is associated with the later cycles where we go into the mania state, and I think we are quite far from that. And this is something that, me being a crypto native, and I see how people are interacting, and the retail is not in on this. It's almost a hated rally. It is propelled mostly by the insiders and the people who already have been in crypto and have relocated their portfolios after the carnage of 2022. So I think, it's just a perfect alignment for this to continue in 2024.